Today in the British Isles, we have become so accustomed to seeing the prevailing world conditions,
violence, disasters, people living in despair, that scenes like this has become a way of life.
When the current of life seems to pull us away from living peacefully, is there any hope of a brighter future?
The answer is yes. There are people who are looking beyond the current situation, not only to a brighter future, but to a better today.
They take joy in caring for those in need.
They seek to make a positive impact in their local communities.
They value living life to the full and taking care of that one thing that can't be replaced.
They are a people of hope that makes today worth living. They are Seventh-day Adventists.
We put the Bible at the centre of all that we believe, with Jesus, the foundation of all that we do.
We believe his promise of living an abundant life today.
That he came,
lived,
died,
and rose again, leaving us with hope of a new life.
We believe the promise of his soon return to restore all things new.
And in a special Sabbath day of rest each week, especially designed for each one of us.
From Friday evening to Saturday evening.
Seventh-day Adventists love to explore the biblical truths found in the Word of God that provides health, happiness, and healing.
So who are these people of hope? As you can see, we are a diverse church in the British Isles, with over 38,000 people worshipping each Saturday in over 400 different congregations.
40% of our church are young people,
with attendees living around the British Isles in England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales. That forms the British Union Conference of Seventh-day Adventists.
We want to be a church to help you in life.
We want to be a loving church.
A church where you feel at home.
A church where you can belong.
And a church where you can find hope.
We welcome you
to the Seventh-day Adventist Church.